case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1993, the United States Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit heard the case of Koppie v. United States, which revolved around the notion that the government is not liable for opinions about ownership, and that prior court decisions can prevent repeated legal disputes in different cases. The case stemmed from a lawsuit filed by Chad M. Koppie against LigÄ&n Air and the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, concerning the ownership of a Convair 880 plane. Koppie argued that he rightfully owned the aircraft, but the FAA had issued a certificate of registration to LigÄ&n Air instead. Koppie had purchased the plane from Hudson General Corporation in 1987 for $5,000, unaware of its complex history and subsequent return to LigÄ&n Air. After discovering someone from LigÄ&n Air working on the aircraft, Koppie signed documents releasing his interest in the plane in exchange for $36,000. The FAA denied Koppie's certificate of aircraft registration due to conflicting claims over ownership, prompting Koppie to file a lawsuit against LigÄ&n Air for control of the aircraft and the government for wrongful denial of ownership. The court ruled that Koppie's release of interests in the plane prevented him from claiming ownership, and that the certificate of registration had no legal effect on ownership. Ultimately, the court affirmed judgments for both defendants and denied LigÄ&n Air's motion for sanctions, as Koppie's appeal was not considered frivolous under Rule 38 of the Federal Rules of Appellate Procedure.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.